how to buy 4 token on Bitget Wallet. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer, as you can see here. Now to be able to buy this token on Bitget Wallet, what you need to do, first of all, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now open your Bitget Wallet. For that, go to your wallet from here, as you can see. Now select the BNB chain as a network first, and click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now paste the token address in the search bar. So as you can see, click on this plus icon first of all, and to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find the token. As you can see, this is, now click on it. Now here click on swap. And now as you can see, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy. For example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. Now after that, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on stop and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy 4 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.